In 2013, a small open-source project quietly launched, and within months, it flipped the entire software world on its head. That project was Docker. And if you're a developer, you've probably heard someone say, "It works on my machine." But before Docker, that phrase was a nightmare. Let me take you back. Back then, running software meant dealing with bulky virtual machines. They were slow, heavy, and honestly, a pain to set up. Apps would work fine in one environment, but as soon as you shipped them to a server, things broke. Developers were frustrated, ops teams were frustrated, everybody was frustrated. Then Docker showed up, and suddenly, everything changed. Docker took the idea of containers, inspired by old-school Linux containers, and made them simple, fast, and portable. Imagine having your app, its libraries, and all its dependencies bundled up in a neat little box. That's a Docker container. You could run it anywhere, your laptop, a server, the cloud, it just worked. Within 2 years, Docker wasn't just a buzzword, it was everywhere. Startups, big tech, open source projects, everyone jumped on board. Why? Because Docker made shipping software as easy as shipping goods in the real world. Think about it like this. Before shipping containers, moving goods was slow and messy. Every port had its own rules and things got lost or damaged. But once shipping containers became the standard, global trade exploded. Docker did the same for software. It standardized the way we move code from one place to another. Now, in 2025, containers are the backbone of modern DevOps. Kubernetes, cloud-native apps, microservices, they all depend on containers, and Docker kicked it all off. Looking ahead, I expect even faster, more secure container runtimes. We're talking about containers optimized for edge computing, AI workloads, and stuff we haven't even dreamed up yet. The foundation is solid, and the future, it's only getting better. So next time you deploy an app and everything just works, remember, Docker made software portable and reliable, creating a foundation the cloud still runs on today. That's the container revolution.